Hello everybody, this is your Core Bites number 148. The first one says the difference of two numbers is 2, their product is 24. What are the two numbers? So you have to try each of these to see. So 3 times 5 is 15, so that product is less than 24. 3 times 8 is 24, but then when you subtract, 8 minus 3 is actually 5, so that's not going to work. 4 times 2 is 8. Nope. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 minus 4 is 2, so that is your answer, 4 and 6. What is the sum of 759,000 and 6,075? So your answer, and remember, if you need us to work it out for you, just let us know. But the answer for that is going to be 765 and 75. 765,075. That's how you would say it. And then for number 3, you're going to simplify the fractions. So for 6 over 42, you're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 6. So you're going to get 1 over 7. For 14 over 21, you're going to divide by 7. You're going to get 2 over 3. And then for 28 over 49, you're going to divide by 7, and you're going to get 4 over 7. Okay, so as you can see, the number they pretty much had in common in some way, they all had 7 somewhere. For number 4, which one is more? We're doing measurement, 2 kilograms or 3,000 grams. So the answer is actually 3,000 grams is more. And then for your last one, what type of angle is shown in the picture? Now, if you've really got to look closely at this so you can see it, but they're looking at the angle that is right here on that side of the scissors. So that is actually what we call an obtuse angle because it is more than an acute angle, which is more than 90 degrees because 90 degrees is a right angle. Anything less than that would be acute. And then it's less than 180 degrees, which would be a straight. It would just be flat, straight. All right, guys, so check yours and let us know if you have any questions.